Thank you. I'll note that there are actually currently several STEM employment workforce coordination programs going on in the Department of Defense, and certainly that one's among them. I believe that these programs would be far more effective if there was a greater degree of coordination among them. For example, sharing of hiring objectives and even of candidates. Likewise, to the other senator's point earlier, providing metrics for such programs would be very important.
Well, why isn't there coordination? Why aren't there metrics to measure the effectiveness of these programs? Whose responsibility is it to ensure those aspects are addressed?
Thank you for the question. As to the particular statutory authority, I'll take that for the record. I will note that a mandate to coordinate among programs, to share best practices, to ensure that these programs are appropriately targeted to market and are adequately innovating would be very effective, and I believe that's something that the Congress and the Senate in particular can draw greater attention to.
Okay, you can help us, my staff, to better focus on some of those kinds of changes if we need to change. Mr. Taylor, I was particularly gratified that you mentioned that if we want people to have STEM experiences in education, that it's really something that we should look at from pre-K to 12, and that we also should pay attention to diversity. So yes, Senator Rosen has a bill that would encourage, I think, more emphasis on these kinds of programs. I have a bill that would focus on women and minorities in STEM education. What ideas do you have that would focus us on the need for paying attention to K-12 and onward if we want more people to be STEM educated?
So, thank you for that question. I had the good fortune of once running what was called the Thurgood Marshall College Fund, which represents the country's publicly supported historically black colleges and universities, 47 of them. In fact, Mr. Gates here was my colleague. We specifically created a program where we went into 3 markets that were largely populated with historically underrepresented people, and we took kids who were between the ages of, and I want to get the numbers right, 9 and 13, with a specific focus on taking those kids in after-school programs that were STEM-oriented.
Hello, friends. This is not good news. There is a growing number of households in the United States who are homeless after the Social Security Administration faces a major overpayment issue. Some lawmakers want to put a stop to this as soon as possible. President Biden has also updated a payment plan. My dear friends, I'll be going over what this means, so please make sure that you watch until the end of this video. Also, every Friday, I will be announcing several winners for the Walmart gift card giveaway. If you would like to enter these weekly giveaway friends, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, friends, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways. According to Yahoo News, Social Security, a cornerstone of support for disabled individuals and retirees, disperses approximately $1.4 trillion annually to countless beneficiaries. Yet beneath this vital safety net lies a troubling reality. The Social Security Administration aggressively pursues the recovery of billions in what it deems overpaid benefits. An investigation conducted by KFF Health News has brought to the light the startling extent of this issue, revealing that the SSA annually demands repayments from over 2 million individuals, and in some cases, beneficiaries face staggering repayment amounts reaching tens of thousands of dollars. Denise Woods, a resident of Georgia, shared her experience, recounting how she was forced into homelessness after receiving a notice claiming she had been overpaid Social Security benefits by jaw-dropping $57,968. Struggling to repay such a sum, Denise Woods found herself at risk of losing her monthly benefits of $2,048 until the debt was settled. The report has sparked significant action, including a congressional hearing, heightened Senate scrutiny, an apology from the SSA's head regarding the understatement of overpayments, and an ongoing internal policy evaluation. Senators from the Oversight Subcommittee urged the SSA to take decisive steps to mitigate overpayments' impact on vulnerable recipients, emphasizing the urgent need for reform. But despite efforts to rectify the situation, challenges persist. In fiscal year 2023 alone, the SSA recovered over $4.9 billion in overpayments, yet $23 billion remain uncollected. Notably, many overpayments stem from government errors rather than recipient wrongdoing, affecting marginalized groups who are reliant on Social Security for essential living expenses and their health care. Nicole Ebert's story underscores the devastating consequences of overpayments as she now lives in an extended stay hotel after losing her $1,700 monthly disability check. Experts say the burden of repayment has upended lives, prompting the acting commissioner to pledge a review of overpayment policies for recipients facing repayment notices. Navigating the SSA's procedures is crucial. When millions of Americans rely on Social Security benefits, errors can occur, but timely action can help resolve payment discrepancies. But despite the challenges posed by overpayments, understanding one's rights and options is paramount in safeguarding essential benefits. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on this? How do you think our federal government should solve this issue? Please let me know in the comments section below. The Social Security Administration has also recently unveiled its updated Equity Action Plan, emphasizing increased access to programs and enhanced services as its primary objectives. A key focus area of the revised plan is to enhance payment accuracy for SSI beneficiaries. This initiative stems from President Biden's recent executive order, which underscored the importance of embedding equity within government operations. On February 15th, the SSA introduced the Payroll Information Exchange Plan, which is designed to facilitate access to and utilization of data from payroll providers. This initiative aims to curb improper payments, including overpayments, by streamlining the process of obtaining timely and accurate wage information. Martin O'Malley, the Commissioner of Social Security, emphasized the significance of these automated exchanges in mitigating inefficiencies which are associated with manual verification and self-reporting. The plan is expected to enhance the agency's ability to adjust SSI payments preemptively and improve the efficiency of the SSDI program. By leveraging information exchanges with payroll providers, the plan is poised to minimize reporting errors, reduce reporting burdens, and promptly identify unreported or undetected wages that contribute to these improper payments. The SSA has invited public input on the proposed rulemaking related to the plan, underscoring the importance of stakeholder engagement in shaping policy decisions. Well, my magnificent and most marvelous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. My dear friends, thank you so much for being part of this community. Every Friday, I will be announcing several winners for the Walmart gift card giveaway. If you would like to enter the weekly giveaway, friends, do make sure that you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, friends, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. Thank you, and have a wonderful and very blessed week.